I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another top 10 list. Okay, look, in this list, let me get you hip, man. This is the spring 2024 list. All right, you know I got to do this list once a year. Let y'all know what I'm going to be wearing this spring. It always switch up a lot, but I just know when the weather get around 60 to 70 degrees, I'm going to want to feel good, look good. I want to smell clean. You know, spring is all about the blossoms, you know what I'm saying? Winter, everything died. All the leaves on the trees, on the ground, it's blossoming, you know what I'm saying? It's like rebirth. That's kind of how I look at spring. First fragrance I know for sure I'm aware is this YSL Eau de Parfum. Come on, y'all. You know why. Heavy compliment getter. I know when I put this on, I might be on my fly stuff. This is not the running errands, running to the corner store to grab something small. No, I probably got a little meeting. I probably got another podcast to do. I'm finna go handle some business and I want to smell fresh and so clean, like Outkast said. So that's why I'm gonna wear this fragrance. It projects real heavy. It got that clean, soapy, green apple smell. Can't go wrong with YSL Eau de Parfum springtime, man. You know that, and I know that. Another fragrance I'm gonna wear. It's about that time, man. Time for a great Vetiver parfum. Now, if you don't got the parfum, it don't matter. The toilette, the eau de parfum, it don't matter. They kind of all smell similar. They just going up in concentration. I'm gonna wear the great Vetiver parfum, okay? It's a lemon woody scent. Sexy, okay? Surprisingly, this fragrance lasts a really, really long time, and I think it's that sour lemon that's inside this scent. But this fragrance right here is like another offshoot of why I will be wearing YSL Eau de Parfum. It's just that I got on a $200 fragrance. I know I look good. The sun is shining. Drop top convertible car. My lady on the side. Man, we vibing. We looking good, man. I'm putting on great Vetiver for sure. Now, let me tell you, when it's time to get spicy, you know, Big Boss love getting spicy. When it's time to feel sexy and seductive, like I'm coming to tear something up, I'm gonna put on this right here. This is Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Beau. You can either get the Le Parfum or you can get the Toilette. It all depends on what you like on your concentration shot. But you know, when it comes to Le Beau, I like to stick with the original. The pineapple coconut, I'm in there. I smell like a pina colada. This is the fragrance where my lady, she like, I want to go to the beach and grill some steaks and some salmon. I'm like, baby, we there. And she looking good in her little bikini. I'm looking at that ass. I'm like, Jesus, it's jiggling. Boom, boom, boom. I'm smelling good. 6-pack muscles. Yeah, baby, we both looking good. The whole beach looking at us. Who is them right there? Yeah, I'm smelling like this. So when they coming up like, y'all are so beautiful. I love black couples. The black love. Yeah, me all day. Smelling like this. Because then they going to be like, hey, you smell good. Exactly. Smelling just like a pina colada, like I'm on the beach. Vacation, looking fly, man. Let's move on, man. Right here, we have Versace Hawas. Bruh, I don't need y'all in the comments like, why are you wearing Versace? Because I realize a lot of people talking about Versace so much, and you know how the social climate get when a fragrance starts to becoming popular. Y'all start acting like how people act towards LeBron. Why y'all like LeBron so much? What about Giannis? Bruh, if Hawas is good, Hawas is good. Okay? It lasts a long time. It's fresh and spicy. Gets you a lot of compliments. You wear this to the gym, you're getting all the honeys, bro. So if you single and you ready to mingle and you need some of that tingle, tinky winky and the bingle, okay then. You put on some of this Versace Hawas, man. It's cheap. Everybody talking about it. And just because everybody talking about it, that don't mean everybody got it. But everybody should have had this in their collection by now, man. This is damn near like the Dior Sauvage of Middle Eastern fragrances, okay? Let's move on. Don't argue with me. I'm not trying to hear y'all. Look, Versace Dylan Blue. I've been wearing this every spring. It's like a ritual. I use the whole bottle every spring. I go out, I get a new bottle. That's just how I am. Okay. Same reason with Hawas. It's clean, sexy, seductive. Everybody likes it. It's very popular. I love it. It never did me wrong. And this is a good layering fragrance. Like I wear this with Coral Fantasy a lot. Okay. I grab Coral Fantasy. I grab Dylan Blue. I make them make love. Boom, is a baby on my skin, and I'm getting compliments all day. Love me some Versace Dylan Blue. Right here. Nautica Blue. Nah, I get it. Chris, what the hell is you talking about? Why is you wearing Nautica Blue, bro? Bruh, you know how I had told you YSL or Y Eau de Parfum is not a fragrance I will wear just going to the store? Nautica Blue is that just going to the store. Imagine me having to give my girl, like, I want an energy drink. And I got to get up out of bed and get her an energy drink. Oh, baby, I need an iced coffee. I got to get up, go get her an iced coffee. Every time I leave the house, I got a fragrance on. I'm not about to get no iced coffee and no fragrance that costs $100. I'm going to get that iced coffee from Burger King, vanilla, facts. I be having to really do that in real life. When I have to go do that, I'm putting on something that's least expensive that I just feel like I'm clean. I understand that this might not get a lot of compliments, but I don't care. Sometimes I put it on for confidence, you know what I'm saying? Just to know I smell okay, you know what I'm saying? Like I smell clean. That's why I'm wearing Nautica Blue. Don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? Now, this is my homeboy, man. This is my dude, Uche Allure, man. Man, he sent me this bottle, man. Look, bro, this fragrance right here is dope. This is Secret Water. Love this scent, man. It kind of reminds me of a fresher, sexier, soapier Aqua di Gio. You know what I mean? Very surprised that he came out with this bottle. I haven't been wearing it because it's been winter time, but you know, summer coming up. Secret Water. If you look at all his promotional pictures, this is a fragrance that you want to wear to the beach. This is a fragrance that's so fresh. So anytime y'all will wear Aqua di Gio, y'all will want to wear Secret Water. By the time I do the spring list next year, this bottle's gonna be like damn near gone. I'm gonna have to get another one. I really like this scent. Very surprised that somebody that looked like me created something like this, man. I'm really proud of that dude, man. You keep doing your thing, brother. Another fragrance I want to talk about right here, man. Okay, this is that Burberry Touch. Why get Burberry Touch? Dude, it's woody, and this is the fragrance you want to wear when you're going out on little meetings, man. We got the little meetings when you're going up to pick your kids up from school and you got to talk to a teacher. This is just one of them when you want to come across like real serious, like you're not playing. I always looked at Burberry Touch like Bloody Chanel's little cousin or little brother. You know what I mean? It got that same feel, just in a cheaper bottle and more mass appealing. I like it, can't go wrong. All right, this right here, man. Allure on Sport by Chanel. This is my favorite gym scent of all time. When I go to the gym, I always got this on. So it's like a ritual. You go into the gym, you put on Allure on Sport. Come on. Why don't y'all? I do. And for the last fragrance I want to talk about, so remember how I just had made that video and told y'all that Azaro, the most wanted Eau de Toilette Intense is coming out? I'm wearing that this spring. I just know I am. I'm like in the future. I'm in the future, man. This is like Terminator. I just know what I'm gonna be doing. That's gonna be a fresh most wanted. What? I'm wearing that. Facts. So I don't got it yet because it didn't come out. But when I do get it, that's what I'm gonna wear. All right. Now you know. 10-minute video about the 10 favorite spring fragrances. What's your favorite, you know what I'm saying, spring fragrances that y'all gonna be wearing? You let me know in the comments, man. Right now, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to go eat some food. I'm about to lay it down. I'm finna watch some TV, because that's what I do. Okay? I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. Stay looking fly, stay looking cool. I'm Big Boss, and I'm out.